Hello friends, someone asked me that can I convert my floor plan, my 3D floor plan that is generated with AI into the panorama, and yeah, I accept the challenge, and this is the result. So on the left side you can see the floor plan, and this is the output. So regarding to the wall, ceiling, door position, and also to the kitchen layout, everything is consistent, but maybe some details about the furniture still I can work on improving them. And yeah, so this is the panorama full 360 with correct room dimension. And what I did first, I tried to work with the ChatGPT image, and I made everything ready, and finally it made this panorama. But unfortunately the quality of the panorama actually was very bad, and there were many errors regarding the wall and also door positions, so I was not able to use that. And after that I decided to test the Nano Banana, and again I saw much worse result because actually it's not usable anymore. So I decided to fine-tune my workflow for doing the panorama design in the ComfyUI, and yep, this is the workflow. This is the first step, and this is the last step. So you can compare and see that all the wall lines are exactly following the design, and also regarding the kitchen layout there are some errors, but I think we can fine-tune and make them better. Yeah, so I sent same image and also same prompt both into Nano Banana and also ChatGPT Image 2, but they were not able to solve the problem. So let me show you how I solved the problem. So first I went into the FlowGen. Okay, we built this platform exactly for creating special AI workflow, and I draw the floor plan. So it's very easy. You can draw some walls, okay, or maybe after that you can select or add some door or window, and if you click and go into the 3D you can see the floor plan. And after that I placed some boxes with some prompt. Okay, very simple, maybe in about only 2 minutes, and this was the output. And after generating the environment, so I was able to get the result. Still I know that I have to improve it, but I thought that maybe it will be interesting for you. Thank you for your time.